thanks to the public consultation that was launched not quite 2 weeks ago, 1.5 weeks ago. DEFRA has provided additional information on this alternative transitional registration model. It also included other proposals for improving the UK REACH regime, but basically I've categorized this in different parts in this presentation. I call them part 1, 2, and 3. These are different from the parts in the consultation if you look, so don't be confused. These parts are only for this webinar, so just so you know. So the first part is proposals on the registration related requirements as part of this ATRm model, talking about hazard requirements, use and exposure information, and chemical safety report and related information requirements. Then the second part is the proposal on the substance group data sharing and joint data submission. And then a third part where they're looking into the administrative part, so looking at transitional evaluation and compliance checks, publication and data, etc. Before going into the depths, anyone can respond to this consultation. You will find the link here. I think just Google consultation on UK REACH. I think you will land on this page. I suggest you respond to this if you have a vested interest in this. If you are a transitional registrant or other stakeholder, it is quite an undertaking to start answering all the questions, I can tell you that. So it's not a small feat, and we have not done that yet, so I do not know, is it possible to save your answers and come back later on? I hope so, because otherwise it'll be quite the effort. So it actually, the consultation encompasses several documents in PDF format, some 93 pages in total of supporting documentation. So quite a lot of information, albeit having read through it, a lot of details are missing. So devil's in the detail, and the devil seems to be missing. Once the consultation is done, meaning in July 11th, then the government, so the UK government, will collect all the responses and provide a response within 12 weeks of the end of the consultation. So by October, then there will be a second consultation focused on the applicable legislation and how that's going to be updated. I do not know if that will contain information about the updated fees, to be determined. And then the aim is to have this legislation in place in 2025. So that then you have this ATRm model if the consultation then as a result recommends that, which I think it will, then the legislation would be in place in 25. But knowing from experience is meaning legislation in place in 25, it's code for by end of 25.